Did is the past form of does and do. Did is used to talk about a completed action or something that happened in the past. The verb did can be used as the main verb of a sentence. Examples: I did my homework. I did the laundry this morning. I did the dishes right after dinner. I did well in the exam. I did some experiments in my science class. I did a research on the influence of social media to high school students. I did aerobics yesterday afternoon. I did my friend's hair on her wedding day. I did my nails because I wanted to wear my new open-toed shoes. I did the house chores before going out. Did is also used as a helping verb to make negative sentences. Examples: I didn't know about what happened. I didn't want to go to work because I felt sick. I didn't want to drink milk in the morning, but I had to. I didn't care about him for a while. She didn't drink alcohol for 9 months because of her pregnancy. He didn't drive his car yesterday because of the bad weather. They didn't pursue their plan to start a business because of lack of funds. We didn't learn much from the classes because our classmates were too noisy. Liza didn't wear up for the party, but she was still pretty. The citizens didn't vote for the candidate because of his bad reputation.